what happens to your body if you take vitamins seriously. The difference between vitamins and minerals. Although they are all considered micronutrients, vitamins and minerals differ in basic ways. Vitamins are organic and can be broken down by heat, air, or acid. Minerals are inorganic and hold on to their chemical structure. So, why does this matter? It means the minerals in soil and water easily find their way into your body through the plants, fish, animals, and fluids you consume. But it's tougher to shuttle vitamins from food and other sources into your body because cooking, storage, and simple exposure to air can inactivate some of these fragile compounds. I took my vitamin intake seriously, and this happened to my body. Number 1, better eyesight. If the eyes are truly the windows to the soul, then surely they would be tended to with the greatest of care. Fortunately, if you take a multivitamin every day, you're already taking steps to mind your ocular health. That's because doing so can decrease your risk of eye disease and age-related degeneration. The powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and A, zinc, and beta-carotene that multivitamins contain benefit eye health, she explained to the list. Specifically, these strong little fighters can protect and preserve your eyes in several different ways, said Velikova. Vitamin A helps to keep the cornea clear and is a protein component that serves for low light vision sensitivity. Vitamin C and E are potent antioxidants that fight the free radicals from the environment, and fighting free radicals means you're protecting yourself from the oxidative stress that they can wreak, which can cause a lot of damage to the body.